In today's video, we're going to talk about how much money we need to have saved at every age. This could be some shocking information to some of us, so make sure to stick around until the end of this video. Hello and welcome. My name is Brian, and today I'm going to tell you something that is important for all of us to know. No matter what age you are, it is crucial that you have some savings set aside in case of an emergency. So hit that like button real quick and make sure you watch this video until the end, because I'm going to reveal how much money you should have saved at each age group. It's no secret that many people struggle to save money. The cost of living is increasing, wages are stagnant, and the ever-present temptation of spending can make it difficult for individuals to set aside a portion of their income each month. So how much money should you have saved by each age? With the current situation, it is hard to give one definite answer. However, experts recommend having a certain amount saved based on your age in order to avoid financial troubles later in life. So here is how much money you need to have saved at every age. Let's take a look at your 20s. At least $1,000 should be saved by the age of 20 in an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses. This is critical for young adults who may not have the same financial stability as older generations and may find themselves struggling financially if an emergency expense arises. An emergency fund can also help you avoid having to take out a loan or use a credit card, which can lead to more debt. At age 30, between 3 to 6 months worth of expenses should be saved in an emergency fund, as well as enough savings to cover at least one major purchase, like a car or vacation. Additionally, this is a good time to start investing in retirement accounts such as 401ks and IRA if your employer offers them. Investing early is the best way to maximize returns, and it is important to start contributing to these accounts even if it is just a small amount that gradually increases over time. Not only will you be able to take advantage of compounding interest, but you will also be setting yourself up for comfortable retirement. At age 40, you should have between 10 to 15 times your annual salary saved up for retirement by this point. Additionally, you should strive for a 6-month emergency fund, as well as enough savings for multiple major purchases like cars, vacation, and home repairs. Additionally, if you haven't done so, this is a good time to start creating a budget and establish debt management strategies such as paying off balance with the highest interest rates first. At age 50, you should have at least 20 times your annual salary saved up for retirement, plus enough emergency fund for a 6-month worth of expenses. This period is also crucial for creating financial plans, such as estate planning documents and wills or trusts. It is also important to review any investments made over the past 30 years and adjust them according to your current needs and goals. At age 60, you should have at least 25 times your annual salary saved up for retirement, plus enough emergency funds for 6-month worth of expenses, plus extra funds set aside for travel or other leisure activities. Additionally, it is important to review any investments made over the past 40 years and adjust them accordingly depending on market conditions and changes in personal circumstances. Saving money can seem daunting, but setting financial goals can help keep you motivated over time. Even small steps can add up over time and help you achieve your long-term plans, like retiring comfortably. It is important not only to know how much money you need to have saved at every age, but also to develop strategies on how to get there while still enjoying life along the way. If you made it until the end of the video, make sure you hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also go the extra mile of ringing that notification bell, and you will be notified with each new interesting videos just like this one. Good luck in your financial journey, and thank you for watching.